Let us continue with the next one. That is question number 3. So, when it comes to question number 3, which metal has a greater tendency to form metal oxides? So, here it has been given that the metal that has a greater tendency to form metal oxide is, one should know that the metal oxides can be explained, or the formation of metal oxides can be explained on the basis of lattice energy. So here, if we know lattice energy, we can explain the formation of metal oxides. So in this case, Al plus 3 ions being a small ion, it has a strong positive field. It has a strong positive field around it and can stabilize, O minus 2 in a better way. Hence, the correct option for the given question is Al2O3, that is nothing but A, aluminium. Hence, aluminium is the correct answer. Now, let us continue with the next question, that is question number 4. When carbon monoxide is passed over solid caustic soda, heated at 200 degrees Celsius, it forms. Let us write a reaction, that is carbon monoxide. When it is treated with NaOH, which is heated at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, so we get a compound called as HCOO-Na, which is called as what? Sodium formate. So sodium formate is formed during this case, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 5. The percentage of p character of the hybrid orbitals in graphite and diamond are respectively. So here, when it comes to graphite shows sp2 hybridization. So when it is sp2 hybridization, the percentage of p character is equal to total 3 hybrid orbitals. P character is twice 2 by 3 into 100, that is equal to 66.66% or approximately 67%. So when it comes to diamond shows sp3 hybridization. Therefore, the percentage of p character is equal to totally 4 parts. P character is thrice, that is 3 by 4 into 100, which is nothing but 75%. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option C, which is given by 67 to 75%. Next one, question number 6. So, when it comes to question number 6, the question is, the correct statement is Bi3 is the weakest Lewis acid among the boron halides. There is a minimum p-pi back bonding in BF3. BF3 is the strongest Lewis acid among the other boron halides. There is a maximum p-pi back bonding in BF3. So, when it comes to all the given options, here they are asking the correct statement. The correct statement is true with reference to option D, because in this case there is a maximum p-pi means p orbital with pi bonding, maximum p-pi back bonding in BF3 will take place. This is due to identical size of 2p orbitals. This is due to identical size of 2p orbitals of boron as well as fluorine, which is given by the correct option D.